friends, welcome to my vlog, Pet Puja and more, and here I am to share with you a very easy recipe that's instant and it's healthy. It's from South India. It's called the Rawa Uttapam, something that your kids would love, your elders, and if you have unexpected guests, this is going to be a sure shot winner for you. So let's get started. So I'm going to quickly take you through the ingredients that we need to prepare the Rawa or the Semolina Uttapam. For the batter, I'll show you, you require the semolina or the rava. I've used the coarse one, not the fine one. Along with that, I will be needing the yogurt. It's the plain unsweetened yogurt, some linseed powder, salt to taste, few teaspoons of oil, any cooking oil would do, and water for binding. Now that's for the batter. Let's go through for the filling, the ingredients that are required. You can use any variety of your favorite vegetables. I have used some bell peppers. I've used a combination just to add some color to the uttapam so that the kids would love it. And I've used some onions. You can also use spring onions instead, or a combination of both. And I've used some tomatoes that I have simply de-seeded, and I have julienned all my vegetables. And I will be adding some finely chopped coriander, some grated cheese. I will be using the cheese for the filling as well as for the garnishing. And for sprinkling on top, just to add a little bit of heat to my uttapam, I will be sprinkling some red chilli powder. And for roasting the uttapam, I'm going to be using clarified butter or ghee. You can, it's up to you. You can prepare it with butter, or you can also use oil. That's just fine. So I'm going to start by preparing the batter. So for the batter, I have taken around 250 grams of coarse semolina. To that, I will be adding around 2 tablespoons of ground linseed powder, some salt, that is around again 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt, and this is around 3/4 cup of yogurt, plain unsweetened yogurt. I will give it a quick whisk with just these ingredients first, and then add in some water. To that, I will be adding around 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm using sunflower oil. As you could see, the batter is not too thin, not too thick. It is just pouring consistency. And now I will let it rest for at least 15 minutes. For the filling, I'm going to now mix all the vegetables that I've chopped. The capsicum, onions, tomatoes, and to that I'm going to add in some grated cheese as well. This is just standard cheese. You could use any cheese of your choice. And lots of coriander. I've left some for garnishing. I'm going to give it a good mix. And now my filling for the uttapam is ready. So now our batter has been resting for approximately 15 minutes, and you could see it has become thick. The semolina has absorbed all the water. I will add a little bit of water again to make it thin and give it a mix. You could see it is flowing consistency. It's neither too thick nor too thin. So the batter is just ready for us to prepare the uttapam. So I will switch on the gas now, placing my dosa tawa. And I'll just make sure that my tawa is not overheated. Just sprinkle a little bit of ghee to it. And then I will sprinkle the filling that we had prepared of the mixed vegetables. Give it a dab so that the vegetables are settled inside the batter and it doesn't fall apart. Sprinkle some red chilli powder to add the heat into the uttapam, but that is entirely optional. You can skip it if you'd like it. Now I will drizzle a little bit of clarified butter, that is ghee, at the edges and a little bit on top. I'll slightly lift it. I will carefully lift it and turn it over. And apply the ghee on the other side as well. So it's been around like 10 to 15 seconds that the uttapam has been cooking on the surface, and I will turn it around again, flip it over. You can see how colorful it looks, and it smells amazing too, smelling a lot of bell peppers and onions. And the aroma of clarified butter is just taking this uttapam to a completely different level. So my first uttapam is ready. I'll take it off the gas. And then I will garnish it with some cheese on top and some coriander. Before I prepare the next uttapam, I'd like to share this with you that you have to maintain the temperature of the tawa to put the other uttapam. It has to be slightly cooled down. So I will sprinkle a little water to it and wipe it with the kitchen cloth. This is a very important step, otherwise your uttapam will tear apart if you're trying to flip it over. And I will cook the entire uttapam exactly the same way. And let me just do a quick taste test to it for you. I'm sure it's already quite tempting. You could have this with chutney, sambar, or just ketchup sauce. For me, it just works best on its own. This just works fine for me for breakfast, for lunch, or for dinner. It's a meal in itself, healthy, instant, and easy. Try this recipe and share your experience in the comment box below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos for more. Thank you very much for watching.